Ala, shoot yan, shoot yan.
10 second shot na para mag-sustain na ang bola.
Agaw, bilis, faster.
Galing!
Galing ni Sede.
Pass number 10, 15 second shot na para
Ala, yan na.
number 16 on Cars. No hold rebound battery. Pass to number.
Huwag kayong magmadali.
Barry attacking to number 5.
Mga pulisya nasa ilalim eh.
Oy! Oh. Hindi ka makakuha.
Takin mo na naman sa number 8. Nakakuha na number 2.
Bawi! Ay!
Between the shoot number 5. Pass to Matulak. Step up for 3. Goal! 15 second shot clock number 16. Shot clock number 10. Because of the ball and press, no good. Foul, number 2. Foul number 25, Perry. Second personal foul. Second, team foul.
Kami sa wifi ko. Wifi na kami pre. Ngayon namin, laki yung pantay. Mamaya na, nag-Johnny.
Substitution rep. 15 second shot clock by Mistrella.
Nasundo ka po eh. Sundo.
10 second shot clock, Matula. Fires, no good. Rebound number 5, 2 points. Foul number 5.
Wala mapan sa atin ah.
Ikas naman sa kabila, bibigay ka number 16. Pausaran magsangan ng bola. 15 second shot clock number 16. Extra pass kay Opena. 10 second shot clock number 4. Opena again, no good.
Kuha, bola!
Now, one number 3, Salera. 10 second shot
Siyan daw
clock number
mag-video para maganda manonood mo.
Sige,
O siyan. Siyan o.
Foul by number 5, Mistrella. Second personal foul.
Para ayan.
Huwag na.
Para maganda manonood nyo.
Okay na.
Sayang pusta. Si Johnny. Ba't si Cedric na tumalsik?
12 minutes and 10 seconds.
Ano yun?
Pausaran, spin second number 16, no good. Now, wala na po. Binigay ko number 7, Matula. 2 points by number 7. Number 3 on Flowers. No good again. Rebound by number 8. Pass to number 7 on Flowers. No good. Rebound by number 3. Pass to number 2. Bowing event sa number 2. No good yan. Rebound by number 3. 10 to shoot.
Kasi yan boy!
Number 7.
Parang bato.
Huli! Number 25, Penny. Evil to number 25. One shot for number 25.
Ganun talaga. Oy, isa pa talaga. Hi, Manfred. Shout out.
Pass to number 4, out of bounds. Number 5, atawa naman sa number 5, no good. Rebound for number 2. Pass to Bautista. Bautista may salang bola. Sasalak sa number 8. Nakakuha ni number 16 back to Bautista again. No good. Rebound for number 5. 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Sena, binigay kay Penny. Number 25. Again! Advance.
Natawag na tayo mo dyan, taka. Okay lang yan, wala na naman bayad.
Matula. 10 second shot clock for number 7. Back shot! 15 second shot clock by Kausaren. Kausaren. Pass to Bautista. Step back for 2. No good. 5 second shot clock. Bibigay ko na rin 7. Matulak naman sa tres. No good. Rebound by Bali.
Loweje!
Kausaren back to Opena. Opena iikot. Titira ng cross. No good. Rebound by number Out of bounds. Bola ng Ron Cordova. Pass on the side. Kaya by side step number 1.
Ang galing nun. Grabe.
20 seconds. 13-point lead by 1-6-1-A. Salera sa press. No good. Rebound by Bautista. Nahuli. Bawi. Foul. Crawford.
Hindi naman boy.
Good shot. Travis. So foul. Ready. Travis. Pass on Bonistra. 15-second shot clock number 5. Mr. Pass to number 7 umpires. No good. Last 55 seconds. Nakakuha ni number 8. 7 again. Pass to number 7. Matsulak. Ganda pa sa number 7.
Ay, sayang. Ayun na!
Nauna sa number 4 sa bench. Bayot Peña. Last 13 seconds. Tapos tayo. 1-6-3.
Iniwan ka na ba?
Running time.
Running
Siya
time,
tapos tayo.
running time.
Last 20
Nakapos
seconds.
tayo.
Hindi.
Opeña again, pull jump ball, it's a point. By number 4. Last 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Foul by Jason Nabi.
Junel!
Number 4. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Last 3 seconds. Two shot by number 8. Pass in the first throw. Second shot ready. Last 3 seconds.
Ewan ko lang.
Hindi ko rin lang sure. Hindi pa naman ako napagbigay eh.
Tira!